Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin inside a text box. Type X, then type 2 immediately after. Once done, use your mouse or Shift plus arrow to select the 2 only. Make sure the text box is active so formatting applies directly. This first step matters because PowerPoint formats the selected characters. If you select the whole word, you'll change X as well. Keep selection tight to the digit, so the visual exponent will affect only that character and not line spacing or surrounding punctuation. With the 2 selected, click Home, then the small superscript icon in the font group to convert it to X2. Or press Ctrl plus Shift plus equals to toggle superscript quickly. This keyboard route is faster when editing multiple slides. If you need mathematical formatting for complex exponents, choose Insert Right Arrow Equation and type X2 for consistent spacing and alignment. Make sure font size and baseline shift look correct. Sometimes you'll adjust font size for the superscript so it reads clearly at slide distance. Finish by scanning the slide. Zoom out and confirm X2 reads clearly. Reduce the superscript size a bit if it appears too large. If the superscript button fails due to template restrictions, replace the 2 with the Unicode squared character, X2, by copying or using Alt plus 0178 on Windows. If inconsistencies persist across slides, inspect the slide master style because masters can override local formatting. Troubleshooting tip: reapply formatting after adjusting the master to ensure uniform.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.